Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. And if you also trade on other pairs like Gold USD, GBP USD, GBP JPY, then do check out the forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel. So let's get started. So this is the forecast chart of Euro USD in front of us. And as you can see that Euro USD right now trading at 1.0993. This is the current market price here. And if you have watched my previous videos on Euro USD, then you can see that overall setup on Euro USD has not changed at all. Euro USD is trading in a very narrow range here. And if you have watched my yesterday's video, then hopefully you made good money too. As I just said, Euro USD is trading in a narrow range right now. So as a result, the area of value, the trading opportunity will always be available at both support and resistance level. As you can see right now, market is going up right now. They're not up, okay, at least yes, some sort of buying going on. Precisely, okay. So in this market situation, if you're planning to take a buy position, I would like to point out one thing here. You can see that already market has tested this support level 4 times, and as we all know that if we find a market testing a level too many times, the level slowly loses its strength. So therefore, next time when market will be testing this support here, be very careful, because there's a high possibility that market will be breaking the support as well, because market has already tested the support too many times. The support of 0.0960. So next time, if you're before you take a buy position on this support level, make sure that you are getting proper confirmation. Okay, if you find market in the support zone around this level, watch the market first and see how the market is reacting. If you see the price rejection on the support level is strong enough, then only go for it. Otherwise, be very careful. Okay, and if the present buying on Euro USD continues, then there's a possibility that market will be facing resistance again around this resistance zone. Keep in mind, this resistance is also not a very strong resistance, but yes, more or less, as the market is trading in a narrow range here, so yes, the resistance is also very much valid. The resistance is 1.1040 to 1.1030. This is the resistance zone. So if market hits this level, and if you see that market is unable to cross it, just like the previous times here, you can take a sell position. If you get any sort of price rejection from above, or bearish engulfing pattern, you get the confirmation the sellers are still present at the resistance, and you can go for a sell position. And as I have already discussed in my other videos, that the strongest resistance on the chart of Euro USD is around 1.1150, or at the red line, the 200 period moving average. But right now market is trading far away from it, so we do not want to I don't want to discuss about it and waste your time. And as I just said, that there is a high possibility of market breaking also this support level. Keep in mind, if market breaks the support level, the next support level, or the strongest support level for today will be 1.0900. And we have this support from the weekly chart. ये हमें weekly chart से मिला है. So if market comes down to this level, if Euro USD comes down to this level, there's a high possibility of market bouncing from here. If market bounces, definitely we can go for a buy position as well. And if you look at the chart of DXY, okay, because if we trade on USD pairs, then knowing the body language of DXY, knowing the critical levels of DXY is also very important. So as I just said, no, I didn't say today. I said yesterday. As I said yesterday, sorry for being so unprofessional. As you all know that I do not edit my videos. I do not get time also. I don't know also how to edit videos, so please don't mind. So as per our expectation, yesterday DXY has reversed from the resistance zone here. So right now we can see that DXY tried a couple of times, but DXY failed to cross the resistance zone here. But we must not forget the fact that overall the trend of DXY is still towards the upside, and the present sideways trend is just temporary. So the not the struggle, okay, the buyers will definitely try to take the market up again. So until and unless we see a big red candle here, okay, until unless we see a big red candle here, the struggle will continue to take the market up. There will be a confusion whether the resistance is valid or not, because if after this price rejection candle also, if we see a green candle again, do not be surprised. As I just said, we must not forget the fact that overall DXY is an uptrend. So buyers will try again and again to break the resistance here. So if we see a red candle here, then we get this surety that okay, this time buyers have failed, so market will be going down for some time. But as of now, we can see market is still struggling. So please be careful, and if you trade on any USD pair, then please keep your one eye on the chart of DXY as well. And my dear friends, this is the world's most affordable forex trading workshop that I have launched recently for those who really wants to learn but cannot afford the forex gurus or the costly classes, because at one time I also could not afford the costly classes because the fees was more than my capital. Okay, so if you really want to learn, if you're really interested in learning, then please check out the description link link no, description box for link. And if you're simply looking for signal service, then you can check out the Pro Trader Lite program. Okay, it's only $2 per month. Okay, I charge a nominal fee because free stuff is not respected. Otherwise, it's a great program. Hopefully, you'll love it. Bye bye. Take care.